If you use vinegar in your garden, these 11 wonders will happen in 3 days. Not everyone knows, but this element may be more useful than fertilizer and chemicals. Basically, it is a natural option to protect plants. Want to know more about it? Check it out 10 uses for this amazing ingredient. 1. Keep animals away. Numerous animals can bring problems to your home, and garden can be kept away by the use of vinegar in certain places. It really works. 2. Anti-noxious ants. Did you know that the vinegar has the status of being an efficient organic insecticide? You just need to pour vinegar in this infested place and repeat the process a few days later. 3. Extends the life of pickup flowers. Put 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a vase with flowers. Then leave the plant in the pot and prune every 5 days. Therefore, the flowers will have adequate nutrients to lend in life. 4. Remove weeds. Vinegar is one of the best remedies to fight weeds. You should put a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of soap, and a tablespoon of lemon juice in 5% gallon of white vinegar. Afterwards, stir all ingredients thoroughly in a pulverization bottle. Then, pour the vinegar in the garden to kill the weeds. 5. Eliminate insects from the garden. In a spray bottle, mix 1 part of vinegar, 3 parts of water, and 1 teaspoon of detergent. Once it's done, stir well and apply in the garden. 6. Keep the fruit free of flies. The flies impair the fruits of the garden. To get rid of them, just follow the procedure below. Mix 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of sugar, and a glass of water. Pour the mixture into some container of your choice and hang an hour. Fruit flies will attack the mixture and get stuck in it. This is also a very effective method against house flies. 7. Helps plant growth. Keep your plants healthy. Mix 1 glass of vinegar with 1 gallon of water. Spray on the plants. We will note significant growth with the use of vinegar in the garden. 8. Fight fungi. If you notice that your plants are not growing well or have some dark stains on the leaves and stems, they were probably affected by some fungus. In fact, white vinegar can protect your plants. Just make a chamomile tea and add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Subsequently, pass this mixture on plants in distress. Important! If the plants are roses, the technique is different. Combine 4 liters of water with 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Spray the roses with the solution, the fungus will be eliminated. 9. Fight the snails. Both snails and slugs are plagues that destroy everything that lies ahead. Spray vinegar in the garden to scare them away. Did you like to know more about vinegar in the garden? Share this with your friends on social networks right now. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!